You want to remove your photo background using AI, you don't know anything, don't worry, keep watch full video because in this video I'm show you how to remove a photo background using AI. It's absolutely free. You don't need any payment and any card, any others hidden requirements here. Just drag and drop, then your photo are ready. So let's get started. At first, I'm going to this website. This link I will attach in the description below. Then click here. Then you are redirect to this website. Then you can see this is a Fotor.com. Then upload image. Then I want to upload an image. You can upload any images. You don't need any green screen and any other screen. So I select this photo, then wait few seconds. You can see this video background and computer light and any other red color, black, then painter and any others. Wow, my photo background remove in just one click. If you upload here, this is awesome, right? If I want to change this color, then I put a other color. Example of this one. Wow, this is good color, right? Then I want to change another one. Then I'm going to here. This is photography style actually. This is a really good AI tool. So I really recommend you for use this Fotor.com. Then I want to change photo movement. Wow, it's really cool. Then if I want to change background into a building or a city, and this is also possible because this AI tool give you lots of options. Just put you background. Then if I want to change in, you can see this is a town. I mean New York City or Dubai. I don't know actually what is the which city. So wow, this is really good. So it's absolutely free. Nobody can tell you about the secrets because everybody want to hide their tips and tricks. I want to share you everybody because I love you guys. So wow, it's really cool. Then I found an Sia beach. Then just click here. Wow, you can see this video or background are also good. So if you want to more video about those type of chat GPT, make money online, how to use AI, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video guys. Thank you.